Hello everyone. Diabetes, a very common word known since 17th century, yet to this date, there is no complete cure to this disease. Diabetes is a disease in which the body's ability to produce and respond to hormone insulin get impaired, resulting in an increased level of glucose in the blood and urine. If it's not controlled, it'll lead to a number of complications like heart disorders, kidney problems, stroke, anxiety, depression, and many more. As per International Diabetes Federation 2015, 415 million people worldwide suffer from diabetes, with an expected rise to 642 million. In 2015 itself, 5 million people encountered to death due to diabetes. Considering these facts, there is an inevitable need to develop a safe and an alternative therapy. And trace amines may play a role here. So trace amines are a group of monoamines which are present in a body at very lower concentrations. These amines respond to certain receptors known as trace amine associated receptors. There are different subtypes of these receptors, and my area of research revolves around trace amine associated receptor 1, TAR1. So recently in 2016, it has been found that these receptors are present in pancreas. Within pancreas, they are found in beta cells. Beta cells are known for secreting insulin release. If we shed a light on a single cell, single beta cell, this is how beta cell causes insulin secretion in the presence of glucose. So gentlemen, my research focus on the role of TAR1 in controlling glucose-dependent insulin release. Why glucose-dependent? Because previous research has already been found that activation of these receptors in the absence of glucose do not yield significant insulin. So what we used to do, what we did in a lab, we treat Ins-1e cells. Ins-1e cells are pancreatic beta cells of mouse because we can't use human one. So we treat Ins-1e cells with varying concentrations of glucose and varying concentration of RO5256390, which activate the receptors, okay? And we found that at higher concentration, the pink one and the red one, there is a significant glucose-dependent insulin release. This excites us. And we further take our study ahead to look what could be the possible mechanism. So we then try to depolarize this membrane using potassium chloride and then treat the cells with varying concentration of potassium chloride and the same concentration of this group. And we found there is no significance. So far, we are designing our studies and hopefully we get something out of it. Thank you for your attendance.